Hello, friends. Welcome back to Learn English with Pulsar. Today, I will talk about the weather. We talk about the weather every day. It's a great way to start a conversation. Let's learn how to describe the weather in English. We often ask, "How's the weather today?" Or, "What's the weather like?" We can answer, "It's sunny." "It's cloudy." "It's rainy." "It's windy." "It's snowy." "It's hot." "It's cold." "It's warm." "It's cool." Let's say them together. Sunny, cloudy, rainy, windy, snowy, hot, cold, warm, cool. Sunny means the sun is shining. There are no clouds. It's bright and clear. Example, "It's sunny today. I want to go outside." The sky is blue and the sun is shining. On sunny days, I wear sunglasses. I also wear a t-shirt and shorts. Cloudy means the sky is full of clouds. We don't see the sun. Example, "It's cloudy this morning. The sky is gray." Cloudy days are calm. It might rain later. Rainy means water is falling from the sky. Example, "It's rainy. I need an umbrella." It's raining a lot today. On rainy days, I wear a raincoat and boots. I carry an umbrella. The streets are wet. Windy means the air is moving fast. Example, "It's very windy today. The trees are moving." On windy days, I wear a jacket. My hat might fly away. Snowy means snow is falling. Example, "It's snowy today. Everything is white." It's snowing outside. On snowy days, I wear a warm coat, scarf, hat, and gloves. I drink hot tea or coffee. Children play in the snow. We can also talk about how hot or cold it is. It's hot, summer. It's cold, winter. It's warm, spring. It's cool, autumn. Hot means we feel very warm. Cold means we need a jacket. Warm feels nice and comfortable. Cool is a little cold, but not too much. Examples, "It's hot today. Let's get ice cream." "It's cold outside. Stay warm." It's warm and sunny. It's cool this evening. We can talk about the weather with time. It's sunny in the morning. It's cold at night. It's raining this afternoon. It snowed yesterday. Also, tomorrow will be windy. Next week, it will be hot. I sometimes watch the weather forecast on TV. It says, "Tomorrow will be sunny." It may rain this weekend. It will be cold next week. I check the weather on my phone, too. It helps me plan my day. Useful words, very simple English. Sunny, the sun is shining. Cloudy, the sky is gray. Rainy, water is falling. Windy, strong air moving. Snowy, white snow is falling. Hot, very warm. Cold, very cool. Warm, not cold, not hot. Cool, a little cold, but not too much. Forecast, weather prediction. Umbrella, cover from rain. Jacket, coat for cold weather. Mini practice. Repeat after me. 1. It's sunny today. 2. I need an umbrella. 3. It's raining a lot. 4. The sky is cloudy. 5. It's warm and nice. 6. It's cold in the morning. 7. It is snowing outside. 8. It's windy this afternoon. 9. I watched the weather forecast. 10. Tomorrow will be hot. Well done. Let's practice. Questions and answers. How's the weather today? It's sunny and warm. Do you like rainy days? Yes, I do. I like the sound of rain. Is it snowing now? No, it's just cold. Do you check the weather forecast? Yes, every morning. What do you wear on a cold day? I wear a coat, hat, and gloves. Weather in different seasons. Spring, warm and rainy. Summer, hot and sunny. Autumn, cool and windy. Winter, cold and snowy. You can say, in summer it is hot. In winter it snows. In spring it's warm and wet. In autumn it's cool and windy. Now you can talk about the weather in English. You can ask, how's the weather? You can answer, it's sunny. It's raining. It's cold today. Practice every day. Check the weather. Say it in English. Thank you for watching Learn English with Pulsar. See you next time. Bye for now.